What it do, custom fam, what it do, what it do. I know it's been a minute, it's been a few weeks. It's been a few weeks I've been out of touch. But I've been working on my Pontiac, trying to get up road ready, doing a lot of little ins and outs, little stuff that I could have used for content, but this channel is not about me fixing up my car. It's about painting. So I'm trying to stick with bringing y'all paint content. But this is what we're working on right now. The lady came by last week. She asked me to paint a bumper. Initially it was the bumper. Give me a couple of hundred, I got you. Well, you do the little old body work on the side. Well, dang, So, like little old 50 in there for there, And she come today. Oh, will you pay? Hey, look here, you know what I'm saying? Because, hey, give me 500 to paint the whole car. I ain't got it. It's the first. Dang it, sweetheart. But we're going to go ahead and knock this out. Bumper, matching the car, and hopefully she'll come back and just go ahead and paint the whole car, because I was going to paint the car for 500, but she can't hustle. I got $160 sitting right here in her base coat, clear reducer, adhesion promoter. So just how the game go sometime. But hopefully this is short and sweet. Let's get it. A lot of the time, the cart be in front of the horse with me, but it's cool. You slow down. So where we at? I've been out here with it for some hours. Off and on doing my thing. I hand scuffed this up with 600. I did the body work on this. Try to be uninvasive as possible. I thought I was done, and then I had to put another little skim on the top because I didn't like how I was feeling over there. I told you she asked for the rocker arms, so I got those mastered out. So I got the car covered in plastic. Using this bumper, the bumper was like a raw bumper, but they just put it on. So I treated it as if it was a new bumper and put that adhesion promoter on there. I also sprayed that on the rocker panels over there so they can stick. Let's have some clear and paint stick to that. And got the silver Omni. I got a paint. Probably didn't need that much, but I'm gonna go ahead and not stretch it as much. This paint code is NH700M. Which is kind of common for these '08 Hondas. What dude told me. I told him what the code was, and he knew what the car was. That's how common it was, so that was good. And got the value clear, of course. in the reducer. So I think I spent like $140 at the paint store this morning. So not making nothing out for this. But she stopped by. Said, hey, she was calling. Somebody was outside the gate. I heard a motor running. My phone's in there on the charger. And I come to the gate, look over, it's her. She's like, I'm just checking to see how it's going. Shoot, go, you want to spend $250. But nah, it don't matter how much they spend. I treat everybody right. She was like, my sister, I got something for you. So it's warming back up. Next week winter went by fast. I'm glad. I'm tripping right now because it's already starting to get back warm. That's what I needed. I thought I was out the game for another month or two, but I forget how fast life goes, how quick these days go. So yeah, that's where we at with it. If I can, I'm gonna try to hold it with one hand and let y'all see me paint, man, instead of just flashing y'all back on when it's painted, but we'll see how it goes.
Sunday's the only day you get your food. You know you can't possibly believe the entire sport of football. Even who's our players? And fall. Football players are not named after people companies. Yes,
Two coats of base. Just the first coat of clear. No problemo so far. See, I did the headlights for her. That was a courtesy. Just trying to show people what I can do. But anything I can do to help the community, I mean, you know, you need clear headlights that give them safety. So if I could help somebody be a little bit more safer, you know. One more coat, and that's it. Simple. Appreciate y'all.